thing that's happening in the digital world today, which keeps us wanting to add more products strategically and very selectively, is sort of finally a really keen interest in materials. Which, you know, I've been preaching about this for a few years now, and it's sort of finally coming to bear. So books like this, which I don't think I've even shown you, right? Where this book printed in London, the original edition was 15, and they're like, and anybody in London who's listening to this, I'll probably get this number wrong, but it's like they're like 6,000 pounds a piece. Beautiful leather, handmade paper, hand wood cuts, pulled on a letterpress, hand set type. That was the first 15. The other 300 books were printed indigo, using, you know, materials that work on the indigo but that emulate the original book, in this case superfine white eggshell, using the same type, right? So using that, well, not the same literally letterpress type, but using the same type style and matching the original red ink, building CMYK, and then bringing in these illustrations. Just an absolutely beautiful book. I saw the original, tried to take it, but couldn't. Thank you, Francis Atterbury. So there's a real, the art publishing market is queuing up to look at digital print because it allows them to do things they've never done before. Another case in point. Again, on superfine, though, this is not all about superfine. Its close cousin loop with vellum finish would be a beautiful substitute in the case of an environmental story. This came out of HP Labs and RIT, a book produced using three grays and a black to actually print a real quad tone. So it takes new technology and marries it to a really well-established craft of the printing industry. And it's an interesting story about this book. The Alfred Stieglitz book, there was a monograph of Alfred Stieglitz photographs produced in maybe the mid-'80s at Steinhauer on superfine white eggshell. It really was the gold standard for a long time for tritone printing. In that case, it was tritone. So those two sacred mixed grays at Steinhauer and black. Printed on superfine white eggshell. At the Cary Graphic Arts Press and the Cary Graphic Arts Library at RIT, they held that up as the gold standard. The team there looked at this and feels that this may be the new gold standard. So this is really, it's an important time for materials meeting beautiful printing, meeting new digital printing technology, in this case HP Indigo.